Hello and welcome to exercise 9, setting up a model in the Rhino Training Manual Level 1. Let's get started. To begin, let's go to File, New, and we'll be using Rhino's Small Objects Millimeters template. Then click Open. Next, let's go back to File, Save As, and let's go ahead and save this Rhino model as Boxes. Go ahead and click Save, and keep in mind that we'll be using this Boxes model to learn how to draw with absolute coordinates in the next exercise, exercise 10. Entering absolute coordinates. That concludes this exercise. I'll see you next time.